Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be trying a viral nail trend that I've been seeing all over social media. It is these adorable magnetic sweater nails, which I just love so much. And that picture is from Yogurt Korea, which is featuring this collection right here. This is the Heart Pink collection, and it consists of 10 colors. And if you want to see all these colors swatched, stay tuned. I am going to be swatching all these for an upcoming reel, but we are going to use some of the colors today, so you're going to get a good feel on this collection and how they perform with that cat eye based on the viral nail look that we're going to be trying. So if you are into cat eyes and want to see how I create this viral nail look, then this video is definitely going to be for you. All right, so I like the packaging for Yogurt Korea. I love like the beautiful ombre, and the color just matches what the gel polish is going to be, and they're just overall just very aesthetically pleasing. Now before we dive into the magnetic gels, we are going to do a base color. I'm going to use Nudi Pink from Douai. I just felt like for this look we needed just a soft, delicate, just wash of color before we go in with those magnetic gels to create those lines. I just felt like the lines would just pop a little bit more, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm just doing a very thin layer of that first coat that you can see here. It's just like a slight wash of color, and then once I go ahead and apply that first coat, I am going to cure, and then I do want to build up this color just a little bit more. So for your base color, honestly, you could pick any neutral color. I do feel like if you wanted to do a little bit like of a darker side, a black base would also look really cool with the method that we're going to be doing today. All right, so I cured it for 30 seconds, and now you can see this color just comes right to life. It's just like the perfect wash of like blush pink. I really like just like the lightness and delicate of it. I feel like this is a great color just on its own as well. If you are looking for a good syrup in that like pinky department, this might just be for you. All right, so I'm going to finish up the rest of the nails off camera, and then this is what the color looks like cured. It's absolutely gorgeous. All right, so now we need to try and bring these nails to life and see if I can create the viral sweater nails. All right, so we're gonna go in with the first color. This is an MG35. This is the beautiful purple. There's something about this color that I've been dying to use, so I figured let's start off strong here with a purple. Now I'm starting, instead of starting at the tip, I'm just gonna start at the cuticle line first, and then we're gonna work our way down. Now, for when it comes to trying to keep these lines straight, I'm not too worried about it. I want it to like look a little bit flowy, like a sweater, so it doesn't have to be too straight. But if you want those lines to be super crisp, you could always go in with a liner brush as well. Now to start out with, to magnetize the gel, I'm going to use a cylinder magnet first, and then I'm going to go in with a bar magnet, and then that's what's going to give us those really awesome lines that you see in that viral sweater nail look. And then I am going to flash cure the line right away, so I'm going to have my handy dandy flash curing light ready. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just magnetize the nail first, and you can really see those particles just dancing around. So I'm just playing with it right here. I was kind of seeing what the magnetic pull was gonna look like, and now we're just gonna give it that frosted effect. And then once you have it how you want it, then I'm gonna go ahead and put the cylinder magnet down, and now we're gonna go in with the bar magnet. Also, this collection did come with this bar magnet as well, and I'm going to hover right on top, and then I'm going to pull off really fast. We have a line, and I'm going to cure it right away so those particles do not start spreading out. And then once I flash cure and see how everything is looking, I will go ahead and do a full 30-second cure in my regular lamp. I just really want to lock in that beautiful line that we just did, because if you know, sometimes when you're working with magnetic polishes, those particles can spread out fairly quickly, and I really want to make sure we are keeping that line. Another thing, for the nail stand that I'm using today, I'm just using a regular nail stand. It does not have a magnet on the bottom of it. If you ever are struggling trying to pull magnetic design and you're using a stand that has a magnet on it, that might be keeping you from getting that pure crisp line that you're desiring. So just keep that in mind when you are playing with magnetic gels, that sometimes the base with a magnet might affect your design. All right, so we're just gonna go in with the next color here. I'm gonna do the exact same thing. I'm just gonna go right above that line that we just created, and we're gonna go in with the more like mauvier pink color. Now for this collection, it has 10 colors, and I feel like no matter what combination you do for this design with the colors in the collection, you're gonna get a really unique design. And at the end, I will show you some different color combinations. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and magnetize this section right here. And then once we get it where we want it, I'm gonna go back in now with the bar magnet. Now, one of the things I was noticing with the bar magnet, that if you don't pull straight up, And if you pull kind of like on a slight angle, it's gonna move that line around and you're not gonna get a straight line all the way across. You wanna make sure that you are pulling up quickly and pulling up really straight and fast. That's gonna help keep that line super straight. Now I'm already liking how this is turning out. We have two prominent lines, but let's build it up a little bit more and add a splash of color. So now I want to try the red, and then we are going to do a wild color card here at the end. I want to pull in a little teal too, just for like a little plot twist for the color scheme here. All right, so let's finish up with the rest of the two colors, and we're just going to keep following those same steps, and then we're going to add just a little extra touch to these nails here right at the end. All right, so I'm just going back in with that cylinder magnet. I was not getting that line exactly where I wanted it to go. So anytime you're not satisfied with the line, just go ahead and remagnetize it and then you're gonna be good to go. So now we have a line. I'm gonna go ahead and flash cure that, and then we're gonna give this nail a full cure. All right, so here's what we're working with, and I'm gonna bring this nail to life in a little bit. I'm gonna put the flash on here in just a second, and this is when, right here, this is when you can really see those beautiful magnetic particles. I really like, for my first attempt, I am liking how this is looking so far. I feel like I could probably make it even a little bit better, but I do like the color payoff that we got with just one coat, and I'm really glad we did put that light wash of base over it too, underneath it before we went in with those magnetic gels. Now I'm just going to add a few stars to this. So I'm just going to go in with a gel base, apply that to the entire nail, and then I'm not going to cure it. And then I'm just going to go in with these adorable little teeny tiny stars. Now you could do anything for this. You could leave the set just like this. You could add heart pieces of glitter. You could do some pearls. You could also do a little chrome moment on top of this, or do nail art on top of this as well. Again, options are endless when you're doing your nails at home, but I just wanted to follow kind of like that same inspiration of these viral sweater nails and just add the stars. So now we're just gonna go ahead and just add 2 stars here. And then I debated if I was gonna add the pearls or not. I figured for our first attempt, let's just keep it simple. And we just went with the stars, and I'm so glad we did because I love this so much. And I just really like seeing the flash on here. It just totally makes these nails kind of like electrifying. And then to seal everything in, I cured that for 30 seconds. Then to finish up, we're gonna go in with a glossy top coat, and then I'm gonna cure it for a full 60 seconds. But overall, this was super easy to achieve, and I feel like this collection from Yogurt Korea was a great one for this nail trend because it definitely gave us those perfect magnetic sweater lines. So here's that first nail that we did. It's cured. It is everything. I love this so much. I did go ahead and create a full set and did some different color combinations. So I'm going to link that right here so you can see kind of what it looks like on. And overall, such a fun way. I feel like this is not only good for like wintry time, but this is a fun color palette for that upcoming spring season. And then you could interchange the star glitters and do some like little flowers or little bunny glitters. I feel like this is just a really beautiful, kind of refreshing spring palette as well. All right, so I think it's safe to say I really do like this viral magnetic sweater trend, and I had so much fun creating it. So stay tuned. We will dive into more viral nail trends, and everything that we use in today's video can be found in that description box below. And I'll see you all in the next one.